Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Deep Links, where we dive deep into the tangled mess that is the human experience. Today, we're jumping into something that's probably been shoved down your throat by every influencer and yoga guru on the planet: mindfulness and meditation practices. Yeah, I know, you're probably rolling your eyes already. Oh great, another podcast telling me to sit down, cross my legs, and hum like a bee. But listen, before you click away and go back to scrolling through TikTok, let's talk some real talk. First off, let's get something straight. Mindfulness and meditation are not some magical cure-all for your messed up life. They won't pay your bills, they won't get your lazy ass the promotion, and they sure as hell won't magically transform your idiot ex into a decent human being. But, and here's the big but, they can help you deal with all the crap that life throws at you. So, yeah, it's worth talking about. Now, you might be thinking, mindfulness? Isn't that just some trendy buzzword? Yeah, it's trendy as hell right now, but it's actually been around for thousands of years. Basically, mindfulness is about being present, aware, and fully engaged with whatever is happening, no matter how boring, uncomfortable, or just plain annoying it might be. It's about noticing what's going on around you and inside your head without immediately reacting like a toddler who lost his pacifier. Meditation, on the other hand, is the practice that helps you build that awareness muscle. Think of meditation as mental gym time. You wouldn't expect to grow a six-pack from doing one sit-up, right? Same with meditation. You've got to put in the reps, and let's be honest here, most people suck at it. You close your eyes and suddenly your brain is like, hey, remember that embarrassing thing you did 5 years ago, or what if cats could talk? The mind wanders. It gets distracted. And that's normal. Meditation isn't about shutting your brain off, it's about noticing when it goes off on one of those wild tangents and bringing it back, over and over again. Kind of like trying to teach a hyperactive puppy to sit still. Now, why the hell should you care about this stuff? Because, believe it or not, mindfulness and meditation can actually help you stop being a slave to your own bullshit. You ever feel like you're just on autopilot, going through the motions, doing the same things, thinking the same thoughts, feeling the same feelings day in, day out? Yeah, that's because you're stuck in your own head, lost in some loop of mental noise. And mindfulness can help break that loop. It helps you see things as they really are, not as you think they are. Imagine this, you're stuck in traffic, late for work, the car in front of you is moving like a damn turtle, and you can feel your blood pressure going through the roof. Now, most people react in one of two ways: scream a bunch of obscenities or have a mental breakdown. Mindfulness, though? It says, hey, slow down. Take a breath. Notice what you're feeling. Notice that you're angry. Notice that your chest is tight and your hands are gripping the steering wheel like you're about to snap it in half. Then you realize, I'm pissed off because I'm running late and I'm stressed. It's not about the car. It's not about the traffic. It's about me. And just like that, you've stopped letting some random idiot in a Prius control your mood. Now let's talk about meditation. Yeah, I get it. Sitting down, closing your eyes, and doing nothing sounds boring as hell. But it's not about doing nothing. It's about training your brain. You know, like how some people go to the gym to get ripped? Meditation is like hitting the mental gym so you can stop being such a mental wimp. You start with just a few minutes a day. Set a timer, sit down, close your eyes, and just focus on your breathing. And guess what? Your mind will wander. You'll think about pizza, your ex, that weird mole on your back, whatever. And that's fine. Just notice it, and bring it back to your breath. Again and again. That's the exercise. Now, a lot of people give up on meditation because they think they suck at it. And newsflash, everyone sucks at it, especially in the beginning. It's like learning to ride a bike. You're gonna fall off a few times, probably scrape your knee, maybe cry a little, but eventually, you get it. Same with meditation. You get better at it. Your mind becomes less like a monkey on Red Bull and more like a chilled-out sloth on a Sunday afternoon. And that's where the magic happens. Look, I'm not saying meditation will turn you into some Zen master who never gets angry or stressed. That's a load of crap. Life will always throw curveballs at you. Your boss will still be an idiot, your partner will still occasionally drive you nuts, and you'll still have to deal with your own weird, insecure, messed up self. But with mindfulness and meditation, you'll start to see these things for what they really are, just moments. Just feelings. Just thoughts. They come and they go. They don't define you. They're not your enemy. They're just there. And the less you fight them, the less they control you. Now, let's get something clear. This isn't some overnight fix. You're not going to meditate once and suddenly achieve enlightenment. This is about consistency. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. It's about having the discipline to sit your ass down and breathe, especially when your brain is screaming at you to do literally anything else. And yeah, it's hard. You know what else is hard? Living a life where you're constantly reacting to every little thing, where you're always stressed, always anxious, always pissed off. So, pick your hard. Here's the deal, if you want to get better at anything, I don't care if it's playing guitar, lifting weights, or learning to not be such a miserable prick, you have to practice. Every day. Even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. And you've got to be okay with sucking at it for a while. That's just part of the process. So, yeah, meditate. Even if it's just for 5 minutes a day. Even if you hate it. Do it anyway. And listen, if you think this is all New Age nonsense, fine. Go ahead, keep living life the way you're living it. Keep letting every little thing ruin your day. Keep being a slave to your own thoughts and emotions. Keep blaming everyone else for your problems. But if you're tired of that sh*t, if you're tired of feeling like life is just happening to you instead of you actually living it, maybe give this mindfulness thing a shot. What do you have to lose, except a few minutes of your day? So, that's it, folks. If you want to keep hearing more real talk, no bullsh*t discussions like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Deep Links, and share this with someone who needs to chill the hell out. Until next time, keep your mind sharp and your spirit wilder than ever.